Hi, in this example, let us subtract these two polynomials. So this is first polynomial and this is second polynomial. Okay, but before we start subtraction, we need to simplify the expression. Okay, and how we simplify the expression? I will write first polynomial and we are going to replace this and with a minus sign, and then I will write second polynomial. Okay. So this is how we simplify the expression so that it is easy to read and understand that we are performing subtraction on these two polynomials, right? After that, I have to distribute the negative sign. Distributing the negative sign means in the second polynomial within this bracket, whatever sign we have for each of these terms, I am going to reverse its sign. For example, 2x to the power 9 is a positive term, so this will become minus 2x to the power 9, right? So we have changed the sign from plus to minus. Same with minus 4x to the power 7. 4x to the power 7 will be as it is, and this minus sign will become plus sign, right? So whatever terms we have within the bracket of second polynomial, we are going to change its sign in order to distribute the negative sign. Okay, let us see how we do it. So I will write first polynomial as it is, 7x to the power 8 minus 4x to the power 7 plus 5x cube minus 3x minus 6, right? And for the second polynomial, I have a minus sign, and after that all these terms will change its sign. So plus 2x to the power 9 will become minus 2x to the power 9, minus 4 will become plus 4x to the power 7, then plus 3 will become minus 3x square, minus 4x will become plus 4x, and then minus 1, right? So this is how we distribute the negative sign. Okay, right. So for the subtraction of these two polynomials, first we distributed the negative sign on the second polynomial, and this is what we get after distributing the negative sign. Now we need to write each term in descending power of x, right? So higher power of x will come first and gradually lower power of x will follow. Okay, let us arrange all these terms in descending power of x. So first I need to identify the highest power of x. In first polynomial, x to the power 8 is the highest power of x, but in the second polynomial you see x to the power 9 has higher power than x to the power 8. Okay, so I am going to write minus 2x to the power 9 first, and after 9 we have 8, right? So in the first polynomial we have 7x to the power 8. Let us write it down, 7x to the power 8, and from the second polynomial we do not have any term having x to the power 8, right? So after 8 we have 7. In the first polynomial I see there is minus 4x to the power 7. In the second polynomial here is plus 4x to the power 7. So I will write both of them together, minus 4x to the power 7 plus 4x to the power 7, right? After 7, the next lower power of x is 3 in the first polynomial, and in the second polynomial we do not have any term having x to the power 3. Let us write it down, plus 5x to the power 3. After that x square, x to the power 2. In first polynomial we do not have x power 2. In second polynomial I see here minus 3x to the power 2. Okay, then in both the polynomials we have x minus 3x plus 4x. I will write it down, minus 3x from the first polynomial plus 4x from the second polynomial, right? And then the constants, minus 6, minus 1. Okay, so this is how we write all the terms in descending power of x. Okay, so we have seen so far, we have simplified the expression, we have distributed the negative sign from the second polynomial, then we have written all the terms in descending power of x, and after writing all the terms in descending power of x, this is what we get. Okay, you have seen this in the previous slide. Now I have to simplify the expression. Okay, so let us open the bracket first. So x to the power 9, we do not have any other term having similar power of x. So I will write it as it is, minus 2 x to the power 9. Same with x to the power 8, we do not have any other term having similar power of x. Then here minus 4 x to the power 7 plus 4 x to the power 7 will cancel each other, and we will have nothing for x to the power 7, right? After that, we'll go to x to the power 3 plus 5 x to the power 3. Then I will come to x square. We do not have any other term having similar power of x, so I will write minus 3x square. Then we have 2 minus 3x plus 4x, so I will write x as it is. Here minus 3 and plus 4 is plus 1, that is plus x, right? So you see, while performing addition or subtraction, or while simplifying the expression, we are keeping the variable as it is, that is x cube, x square, x, and so on. These variables will remain as it is, and the actual addition or subtraction is performed on the constants. In this case, we have 3 as the constants or coefficient. In 4x, we have 4 as the coefficients. So whenever we have to perform addition or subtraction, we need to perform on coefficients, right? And the variable, that is x, in this case will remain as it is, right? So we have kept x as it is, and then in the coefficients minus 3 plus 4 we added, and the result is plus 1. Minus 3 plus 4 is plus 1. That's why we have plus x, right? And at last we have minus 6 minus 1, that is minus 7. Okay, so this is what we get after subtracting these two polynomials, right? Okay, let us see what we did. First, we simplified the expression. That means we had written first polynomial, after that a minus sign, and after that the second polynomial, right? So first polynomial minus second polynomial, this is what we had written. And after that we had distributed the negative sign. In that case, all the terms having positive sign became negative, and all the terms having negative sign became positive. And that's how we distributed the negative sign, right? After that, we wrote the terms in descending power of x, and after writing the terms in descending power of x, we get this, right? And after simplifying this expression, we get the final result as minus 2x to the power 9 plus 7x to the power 8 plus 5x cube minus 3x square plus x minus 7. Okay, so this is the result when we subtract these two polynomials, right? Hope you understood this concept. In my next video, I will bring more such examples where we need to perform subtraction. Okay, thank you for watching.